Now we will learn how to apply sorting when we fetch results from the database, because on the main page we need to show only the latest courses. And on the courses page we also want to apply sorting and show latest courses first. And we are going to sort these results by using created at column on the courses table, because this column stores the date when that particular record has been added to the database. But all these dates are currently the same for each course because we have automatically generated this data. So to be able to test sorting functionality, I'm going to modify a couple of those dates for some courses. And those courses will have to appear first on the page. So I'm going to specify the date in the future for a couple of courses, such as builds with Vite, PHP Storm Setup, as well as Vite in Laravel project. And to quickly sort the data by using created at column in descending order, we can apply latest method call to this query when we are fetching the courses on the main page. And if we'll open up the main page and take a look at the latest courses section, sure enough we're going to see those 3 courses that we have previously modified created at date. Now let's apply the same sorting on the courses page. I'll open up course controller because the index method is used to render main courses page, and right here, before getting the results from the database, we're going to apply sorting by calling latest. After doing this, we're going to see that those 3 courses, PHP Storm Setup, builds with Vite, and Vite in Laravel project, will appear at the top of this list. And if we'd like to sort results in the opposite direction, in ascending order, we can call oldest method. After that, those 3 newest courses will be at the very end of this list, on the last page. We can actually see how this sorting is being applied by opening up Laravel sources, and right here we're seeing the order by method call, which takes the column which has to be used for sorting, and as a second argument we are passing direction of sorting. By default, the ascending order is used. And in those cases when we need to apply sorting to some other column other than created at, we can manually call this order by method directly, like so, and specify the column name as the first argument and direction of sorting as a second argument. Since the ascending order is used by default, we don't have to mention it. So let's sort courses in the database by the identifier. And now, at the top of the list, we're going to see the following 3 courses with IDs 1, 2, and 3. Let's check that this is really the case. And there we go, we're seeing those 3 courses at the top, just like we expect. And if we're going to inverse the sorting by specifying desc, which means descending order, we're going to see the following 3 courses at the top, because they have largest IDs. But for our particular case, it makes sense to display the latest courses on top, so I'm going to use latest method to sort results in descending order by using created at column.